Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, there is this famous Gala games and the Gala token, crypto token associated with it. Suddenly, there was today the fear that there is a $1 billion worth of crypto hacks onto this Gala games. And whenever a news like this or FUD like this happens, and in fact, like there was something fishy happening during the contract, within the contracts that actually gave this impressions, and that's when investors starts to dump their token. And let me tell you, the token was dumped like approximately sitting at 4 cents. Over here, as you can see, it went till 29 cents, but on the Binance, it went 27 cents. And on KuCoin, it actually went 24 cents. That is like more than 30 to 40% drop within the token. That's what happened via the news. But soon after that, what happened? The Gala company on its official Twitter account confirmed that it was actually not the hack. There was something to do with its partner firm was actually trying to imitate an attack in order to ensure like this was just a security measure or security procedure done deliberately, and this has nothing to do with external attack or hack that might have happened to the token. And from there onwards, the price has started recovering, and it is still sitting at like 35 like 0.035 cents right now. But this recovery actually happened like the moment people happen to realize that this is not the case. So as you can see, when crypto watchdogs Peg Shield flagged that P network, which provides routing infrastructure for the decentralized finance and gaming tokens, including apparently the Gala, seemed to imply that it was behind this particular mint. We noticed that P Gala wasn't to be considered safe anymore and coordinated the white hat attack to prevent P Gala from being maliciously exploited, suggesting that the new tokens were printed as a way to help P network drain a faulty pancake swap pool. So all in all, without getting into the technicalities, what actually happened, insider stuff, but this was something that was deliberately done, and this is not an external attack. So this should give the calm to all the investors that in fact this could have been one of a great opportunity. When the coin went probably at 28 cents, I should have been there. A lot of people, some of the people actually utilize it as an opportunity, and literally you could have bought at that price and you could have enjoyed immediate like 20-30% gains. And this is just the beginning. Like again, the Gala has a great future in the coming times. This is a game, like if you try to see what is the all-time high for Gala already, all-time high reached parabolic run by 29th of November. It reached approximately 70 cents. That means 20x from here. That was at the height of the bull run. Now if you try to see the 24 hours value, the current market cap is $246 million, fully diluted market cap obviously above $1 billion, but 24 hours volume $782 million. That is like 3 times the market cap, current market cap. Why? Because the mega dump happened. Like hundreds of millions of dollars were being dumped and then bought because of this particular news. And I'm going to imply like what do we imply from this particular thing. Obviously, apart from the dump that happened or exploitation that happens, one of the major flaw within the entire crypto thing, just imagine years of building a great project, a great team, just some malicious actor trying to exploit, and if they are successful, the whole bunch of investors get wrecked, the coin gets wrecked, the vision might get wrecked, even the project might get stopped, and the entire DeFi space and the crypto space comes under the scanner that it's all a scam. You do not have the accountability. There is no supervision. People's money is not safe here. And we all come down to thinking, is there something that can save us from this, from the exploits, from the hacks? Let me tell you, I have been consistently covering this particular coin or crypto technology that is actually not just working on to hack mitigation or minimizing or removing these malicious attacks or reversing the transaction after it happens. It has literally done hundreds of millions of dollars of reversal after the hack has happened, and it is constantly building new things, and it is only sitting at $20 million fully diluted market cap. So you might not want to miss out on that particular coin if you already know about it, but I'm going to discuss further about that as well. Now when this is clear by now that the Gala Games is safe for now, the activity was internal itself, you do not need to worry about it. I mean, here it is. Since launching, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users, and this much NFT has been sold with the most expensive valued at $3 million. So definitely here we have the information that the Gala Games consistently keeps on building, delivering, and it is actually being used. There is a actual usage out there within the market that is already happening. It is not a speculative thing. So this is the reason, like, the token, if you try to see, it has literally jumped. Like, if you try to analyze even right now, it is probably 35x or 40x from its all-time lows previously, and obviously at the height of it went probably 800x or 700x. So this is a great promising project. Do not be worried about if you are the investor. Yes, you might have seen the dump, you might have the panic out of it, but no need to panic. This is a great project for the future. Now let me come back onto the topic of hack being such a big thing. Like, it can destroy years of effort of a team, a great vision, a great team, and what crypto field can do about it. And that's where this particular token comes. By the way, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Also, watch the video completely till the end. How can you qualify to win one full Bitcoin on our channel? All you have to do is just sign up onto the Binance exchange from our link down below in the video description. 100% free. Watch the video completely till the end. So the token that I was referring to is lossless token. LSS is the symbol, ticker symbol. It is available on KuCoin. Now this particular token is dead cheap right now. Like, it is sitting at how much? $11 million market cap, fully diluted market cap of $20 million. I personally do not get any incentives while recommending this particular coin, but I believe this is a future. Why? Because these are the category king, and they have literally reversed hundreds of millions of dollars, and they're consistently building new products. The new project Aegis they have launched, which can prevent the hack even before it happens. They have the partner of like One Harmony, a great coin, $200 million market cap coin. This is just the beginning of the project, and such a low cap. These are the coins that literally give you 100x, 200x by the next bull runs. Like, during the bear market, you can accumulate it. So by the next bull run, you might be having that big access. And literally, that's what the goal of this channel is, to give the best of the crypto projects to our audience. And you need to decide for yourself. Do you believe that hacks, I mean, $14 billion were hacked in 2021. Is it going to be stopped? There is an entire chain of people sitting out there just for the hacking, just for draining the funds, and we do not have any mechanisms to reverse it. That's what the crypto decentralization is, and Lossless has literally done it, proven it, and it is the only token that is doing it. Isn't it going to be the future? Like, a great coin for the investment perspective. So again, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful, and smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, comment down below for what do you feel about the hacks, and whether you are invested in Gala. What do you feel about the normal hacks and this lossless token and other things? Till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.